Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? We're going to take my dog for another walk, plus it's going to rain. I'm streaming on Omelet Arcade right now. I don't think anybody's joined the stream net, because I haven't seen anything in the chat. So, today we're going to be taking a walk with my dog, and yeah. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Remember to smash a like down below on this video. Like and comment what I should do next with my dog and stuff like that. So, yep, let's start walking. I got my stream going on the phone and my video going on the camera, so this should be easy enough. Catching up. Hopefully my camera isn't too wobbly this time. Mom, can you tape the stream here? Plus, don't stop recording because I'm doing a time lapse. Plus, that's the stream camera. And of course, the dog sniffing around. When you're far away from it, it looks dry. But then when you get close and you look down, it
feels kind of gooey. Come on, Missy.
No, it feels.
Those spots are getting a little darker.
Oh no.
No, Jack.
Oh well, it's just a big risk to take for breaking a camera. She's streaming on the phone right now, as I just told you in
I'm trying to avoid all the black mess.
So am I, even though I just walked through it. Oh yeah, it's getting pretty dark back there. The exposure can kind of capture it, but not fully. What is in there? There's like white stuff in there.
There's all those things that are falling from the trees.
I'll block Missy off. Come on, Miss.
Missy.
Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Multiple mini-me's. This car's gonna come by and be like, what the heck are they doing? Oh no, there's actually two cars. One's No, look at all of these. The reason why I'm like in the grass and like the driveways is because last time I was here there were like addresses on the side of this rock right here, so that's why I'm over here. I just saw a huge bee. Like a huge grown men bee. Get away from me, bee.
Our daughters are friends, so
Yes, they should be. Absolutely. Now Kate's on quarantine right now.
did she just go on yesterday, or
She actually woke up yesterday with 102 fever. So I ended up taking her into the ER yesterday because her ears hurt, her legs hurt, her back hurt. And I was like, could be strep. It could be anything. So they tested her for strep, tested her for COVID.
What's the doggy want to?
So pediatrician's like, it's probably viral. I'm glad she doesn't have COVID, trust me, but Jacob had his SAT today at Heritage. So
Oh, babies.
he hasn't had a bad year. He's been full time at Peace the entire time. So he did the very beginning of the year, like but yeah, this is Jacob. He's quarantined twice. So yesterday was his first day back after the school shut down for 2 weeks. So luckily his second quarantine because the school shut down. So everybody
Hi.
in the same boat. And then his brother had to go. So that's good.
See?
When I called in for access to the building, secretary, she's like, "Oh, you're on my list to call anyway. She's quarantined." And I'm like, "Okay." So then Kate's like, "Can I go yesterday?" I'm like, "No, you're quarantined." I said, "But bring your something back." I said, "But just stay in your room." I said, "I don't think you have COVID." I said, "I was worried yesterday." Yes, you did. I said, "Could it be a false negative?" Sure. I said, "Could it have been maybe too early to test you?" I don't think so, but I said, let's just treat it like you could have it. Stay in your bedroom. You come down around the kids, just throw your mask on just to be on the safe side. And I said, other than that, I said, it's 10 days from the onset of symptoms, and you started Sunday night. So it is what it is. I'm like, I'm just
The
praying for
reason you
some
can't
luck.
hear much is because this camera audio is pretty bad. So, yeah, let's just get back to walking. Right, now
Black stuff is a real nice mess on the ground.
now we had a good break, and now let's get back to walking. It's up. Oh, it's okay. Oh no. Oh, I thought that acorn was poop. I was like, wait, did she already poop?
No, she hasn't done poop yet.
I know these acorns made me think it was poop. Sorry. I know that's the same spot she did it. Sorry guys if the camera is shaking so much. I'm just trying to catch up.
Got fast little legs.
I'm going to go fast. You ready? Look. 3.
We're gonna stop again. What is this? Potty number 8 or 9?
Pretty sure it's probably 9.
Let me see.
No, it's probably 8. Yeah, it's 8.
Marking her territory. Usually boy dogs do that, but
Well, I almost just hit the
She's pooping this time.
I almost hit the stop record button.
Taking a poop.
Ew.
Back arched up.
It's green and brown.
That's because of her dental bones. Alright, you're gonna have to hold this
Yuck.
so I can scoop it. Hold on, Missy. Here. Missy, stop.
Lock it.
I'm gonna shorten it up, so hold on, you're getting tangled in it again.
Okay, now
Okay.
lock it.
Just hold it while I get her poop picked up.
Oh, no. This is not going to be enjoyable on stream.
Mom brings the trusty Meyer bags. I don't leave the poop in my neighbor's yard for them to clean up. There it is. All gone. Okay, good job, Missy. This way.
Hey, we're not going. Are we going to go that way?
No, we'll go this way.
All right, here, take the leash.
This way, Missy. No, we're not going to go that way tonight. We're going to go this way.
Why?
Because I want to.
No. Big ditch.
No.
Fine, then we have to go an extra road ahead of this road.
I just heard. This one was the one because I thought that one was all tore up.
No, that one was the one that was super liquidy.
No, I'm not saying liquid and torn up.
I'm pretty. Was it Monticello? Just go to the next road. And if the next road is torn up, just go to the next road after that. Next road. And if that one is torn up, then we'll just go down Monticello. So go, keep going straight. It's my job, okay?
No, you're good at it. Watch the car stop. Messy. Oh, this is going to be key number 10. Gotta go again. There you go, Missy.
No, she's just sniffing boy dog pee.
She probably is. Come on. Nope.
Oh,
Number
no.
10.
No.
Key number 10. See, she only does a few dribbles. So she calls
Go.
it good.
Yeah, it's still going. It's streaming on Omelet Arcade and it's capturing off the camera app.
It says time lapse on here.
Yeah, I was doing a time lapse as well while I was in the stream. It's still streaming though, even if it says stop recording because it's on Omelet Arcade and you're on the camera app. Should we go to the next road instead?
No,
Just
once
go
we
to-
get past this, it'll be good. It's just really bad down at this end.
Phew, we got past that.
A little bit better. Paws aren't turning black. Hi there.
Let's keep going. Come on. Oh yeah, it's getting way darker up there. Those are rain bands. I know it for sure. Oh my gosh, I got one bar of battery left. My battery's getting lost. Where? Oh, yep.
Good times.
I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Oh, there's key number 11 missing. Key number 11? Yep. Key number 11. How can she have that much in it? She just can go one big one right away, then she won't be doing all these little squirts.
I know. me to take the stream?
No, I'll do it. I'm tired.
It smells good. Smells good. Oh, and now I smell the road paint down here. Oh, that does not smell good. Well, now it's blowing into my nostrils. So I know, but not the stinky trash and burger smell mixed together. What does it do? What color? What battery? What battery?
20% or less. I'm trying to think. How much
Oh God,
follower
should we
finder
get?
house missing? We'll push this. We've already done like 11 potties. I don't think we need to do any more. Really.
All right, I'll meet you in the driveway. I'll meet you in the driveway. Good. Come on, my girls.
Get a drink.
I left Dad with the dash cam. So don't film those license plates. You know not to film those.
Alright, let's go. Oh, look at all my windshield wiper fluid that somebody ran down.
That's probably Jacob.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here, let's go. Come on.
All right, I'm gonna shut the garage. Oh, okay. I'll just put the code down then.
Let's take this off of you.
Woo.
Okay, hold on.
I think we finished just in time.
Hold on. Okay, there you go.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment what we should do next. And
This already got stuff.
bye, guys.
Bye.